Surprisingly, in India, the builders have not looked at geothermal energy at all, whereas in a place like Delhi, it makes so much sense. Geothermal energy can be thought of very simply that if I go 30 feet below the ground here, the air at that point is at the average temperature of the whole year. So, this room, if I left it to itself without any cooling heating, would right now be at something like 25, 26 degrees. It would be at about 8 or 9 degrees at night. It would be at 40 degrees in the summer. But if I'm able to circulate the air from 30 feet below, it will be 25 degrees all year. There's actually a building like that in Gwalpahari, built by Terry several years ago. It's still out there. And they're able to utilize 50-60% of the Earth's heat to keep the building either hot or cold. Right? So the second part is, how is the building designed? If it's a lot of glass frontage, which seems to become fashionable in India, then how much sunlight are you putting in that's going to heat up the place? And then that air conditioning, how much of the air conditioning will you waste to just cool a body? Right? Places which have HVAC, there are a lot of people innovating in HVAC, air quality, etc. HVACs are energy hogs, right? Wherever I have an HVAC, can I use mechanical vapor recompression, or can I use other intelligent mechanical cycles to give some of the excess energy back? Because once I've pressurized the air in a HVAC, that air has energy, but I'm not using the energy anymore. Can I reuse the energy somewhere? Right? So there's a lot of, I think also entrepreneurs need to keep investing in science. They need to keep talking to R&D ecosystems, and they need to question themselves. How will I make it better? I mean, sure, chal raha hai, chalne do, we sell it, we're making money, but what can I do to make it better for the planet?